And for the final updates on the major dollar pairs today, we've got USD Swiss, USD Yen, and USD CAD. For USD Swiss on the daily time frame, we can see our daily break of structure with our swing high and our swing low. Since we liquidated this major high within this overall impulse in towards the downside, we've seen a switch from a bullish trend to a bearish internal trend, where we are now looking to target this weak swing low over here. If we go down onto the 4-hour time frame, we can see the switch bearish happened over here with a break in towards the downside, followed by another break in towards the downside. So this is our current swing structure on the 4-hour time frame. We were speaking about this week wanting to see this high get taken before we can see those downside continuation plays. As of right now, we're still currently bullish. The demand chain is currently holding, so I'd want to see a clear break of this zone before then looking to get in upon the retest to start shorting. If we go into USD Yen, we can see prices beginning to break out in towards the upside. However, because of these wicks here, it's just really not a pair I'm looking to trade. You're going to have to trade it with a large stop loss to make sure you don't get liquidated. But then when you do that, you got to target more pips and higher prices. And at any point, we can see an intervention which can cause the market to crash. If we can move swiftly onto USDCAD on the daily time frame, we can see our daily break of structure with our swing high and our swing low. As we spoke about, we've liquidated this high before seeing a strong sell-off in towards the downside. Initially, we thought that these lows were a good target. However, if we go down onto the 4-hour time frame, we can see that we are technically bullish with a break of structure over here. So this is our swing low and this is our swing high. Within this overall impulse in towards the upside, we've seen some major points of liquidity get taken before seeing a bullish shift in order flow. If we go down onto the 1-hour time frame, what I was looking at this morning was a possibility to just follow this demand chain that is currently pushing price in towards the upside. But again, it just seems to be taken off without us, as there is a strong momentum currently on the dollar. But if we do get a retracement into this zone, I'll be looking for a long. If we come down and we break this demand chain, we come back up to retest it, I might look to long it down to one of these points of liquidity, because none of these lows say to me that it is particularly strong. I mean, this one here has liquidated something, but this one hasn't. These are pretty much equal lows, and they're a nice liquidity target for shorts to trade the pullback.